व्हाट्स अप यूट्यूब, वेलकम बैक टू नियो कॉमिक्स। मैं हूं आपका होस्ट डॉक्टर मनीष एंड ये रहा शमिक दा। सो मैं उनके घर वापस आया हूं और जब मैं कोलकाता आता हूं आई यूजुअली ट्राई एंड गिव हिम अ विजिट। एंड जब मैं लास्ट टाइम आया था आई सॉ अ बंच ऑफ सुपर रेयर कॉमिक बुक कलेक्शंस इन हिज क्लोजेट। सो उनमें से बहुत सारा शमिक दा के द्वारा ही लिखा गया था, बट दोज आर आउट ऑफ प्रिंट एंड आउट ऑफ स्टॉक फॉर अ रियली लॉन्ग टाइम। सो दोज आर क्वाइट स्पेशल और मैं देखा, मुझे बहुत बढ़िया लगा एंड आई वांट यू ऑल टू सी दोज एज वेल। तो चलिए वो कलेक्शन देखते हैं।
ये है हमारा घर। ये मैं नीचे वाला यहाँ पे ये फ्लैट में मैं रहता हूँ, ऊपर मेरे मम्मी डैडी रहते हैं और वहाँ पे सब कलेक्शंस वगैरह जो है वहाँ पे।
चलिए
इसका नाम है पोड़ो।
कुछ ज्यादा एक्साइटेड नहीं हो रहा है ये? आराम से
कुछ नहीं करेगा, वो सिर्फ चिल्लाता है। बहुत से मोनी सबसे बाय प्रोफेशन ही इज अ डॉक्टर और पैशन ही इज अ यूट्यूबर और मैंने also boyfriend यूट्यूबर है। किसी को बड़ा अच्छे से
अच्छा, नमस्कार।
ये है मम्मी।
तो ये रहा शमिक दा का मम्मी जी।
ये सारा दिन सोता ही रहता है, ये चिल्लाता रहता है और ये सोता रहता है।
हाँ मतलब ओके।
चलो आगे बताओ। आए बुढ़ो चुप।
सो ये रहा वो चेस्ट।
Open the chest. I need to see it.
यहाँ पे ज्यादातर पुराने कॉमिक्स है, मेरा जो पुराना कलेक्शंस वगैरह ये सब। इसमें है काफी सारे पुराने कॉमिक्स। ये है विरुलेंट्स जो अभी मिलता नहीं है।
ये विरुलेंट थोड़ा बड़ा साइज में है क्योंकि
ये ओरिजिनल वाला है।
ओके।
ओरिजिनल अमेरिकन एडिशन।
सो हाउ प्राउड वेर यू ऑफ विरुलेंट्स?
Not too much. Actually, they were supposed to make a film on this, which never happened, obviously.
So this is दक्ष। ये कहीं पर भी नहीं मिलता है बट आई रियली लव्ड इट। और इसमें जो आर्टवर्क है दोस्तों, इट्स लाइक प्रिटी अमेजिंग। काश कि ये थोड़ा बड़ा साइज में प्रिंट होता तो और मजा आता, क्योंकि इसका आर्टवर्क डिजर्व्ड है ट्रीटमेंट।
ये है विलेज का तमिल वर्जन।
ओके, तमिल हार्ड कवर वर्जन। ये मैं पहली बार देख रहा हूँ। ये कब निकला?
ये निकला था बहुत साल पहले। बहुत साल पहले नहीं, 2 साल पहले। अच्छा, ये है रामायण 339 AD का ओरिजिनल वर्जन,
सिंगल इश्यूज। ओके,
these are super rare।
इसका तो ट्रेड पेपरबैक भी नहीं मिलता आजकल, सिंगल इश्यूज तो दूर की बात है।
ऐसा ओरिजिनल कॉमिक्स है यहाँ का। ये द फर्स्ट कवर
एलेक्स रॉस, क्या बवाल काम किया था उन्होंने।
लाइफ का पहला कॉमिक है।
ये गाइड बुक किस चीज की?
ये रामायण का गाइड बुक। ये कहीं पे कभी अभी तक ये अवेलेबल नहीं है।
मतलब इसमें कुछ कॉमिक पैनल्स है या सिर्फ ओके कैरेक्टर डिस्क्रिप्शंस एंड
पूरा इट्स लाइक अ बाइबल काइंड ऑफ।
ओके। सो काफी सारे सिंगल इश्यूज निकला था।
ये कॉमिक है, बहुत साल पहले बनाया था।
ये रेत, इसका पहला इशू शायद है मेरे पास। पहला ये दूसरा इशू है ना?
स्वप्निल सिंह ने बनाया था।
नहीं, दिस इज द सेकंड इशू राइट?
नहीं, दिस इज
कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड इश्यूज।
हां, इशू 1 एंड 2।
बढ़िया आर्ट होता है लेकिन
किया था अच्छा।
आर्किंग कॉमिक्स
और टाइम के हिसाब से अच्छा। ये भी कहीं भी अवेलेबल नहीं है। ये है कॉमिक्स जंप, जहाँ पे पहली बार वो दक्ष वगैरह निकला था।
निहोडो मीडिया का पेशकश।
निहोडो तो बाद में बना।
अच्छा, लेवल 10 था तब शायद।
ये है देवी का पेपरबैक, ये मैंने नहीं लिखा। ये एक बुक है जो कभी आया नहीं बाहर, साधु। ये मेरा लिखा हुआ है, द व्हील ऑफ टाइम।
अच्छा, ये वाला शायद नहीं आता, सेकंड या थर्ड वॉल्यूम तक तो आ चुका था।
मिलता नहीं है।
आर्ट वर्क फर्स्ट क्लास।
ये मेरे लाइफ का सबसे घटिया कॉमिक।
विरुलेंस और लिंगर शायद एक साथ पब्लिश हुआ था ना।
इसका इंटीरियर भी इतना ही घटिया है, मैं क्या बताऊं आपको। ये स्टोरी अच्छा था लेकिन इसको मतलब ठीक से बनाया नहीं गया।
वार्गव, इसका नाम सुना हूं बट ये मेरे पास है ही नहीं। वर्जिन कॉमिक्स।
व्हील ऑफ टाइम का साइलेंट व्हील ऑफ डेस्टिनी का 3 इश्यूज आए थे।
और इसमें कोई बड़ा एक्टर जो गोस्ट राइडर में था, निकोलस
केज का कुछ बनने वाला था लेकिन कभी बना ही नहीं।
बन जाता मजा आ जाता।
निकोलस केज इज वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट एक्टर्स। ये आई थिंक ऑनलाइन मिलता है, मतलब कहीं पे ऑनलाइन मतलब डिजिटल वर्जन मिलता है।
हाँ, वो टून सूत्रा वगैरह में भी एक्सपेंड कर रहे हैं तो देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी।
तो यही है फिलहाल अभी ये मेरा काम है जो अभी मिलता नहीं कहीं पे। These are the rarest of the rarest। और बाकी तो DC Marvel बहुत सारे हैं। But the story was quite interesting. It was about like Lord Parashuram who is still alive. Now he has got a family and everything. And
I mean the artwork is better than that one in Linger or
Linger से better है, पर ये प्रोजेक्ट के लिए जैसा आर्टवर्क का जरूरत था वैसा नहीं। बाकी तो ये सब DC मार्वल है, नाइटफॉल, प्लैनेट हल्क सब निकाल लेंगे तो ये एब्सोल्यूट वर्जन नहीं होगा इसका।
अरे बहुत बड़ा साइज है इसका। ह्यूमंगस।
ये साइड में भी है, मैं दिखा देता हूँ। That's my dad.
Hello. So you're basically shooting a YouTube video. Shamik there, the collection.
I've seen your videos.
These are the comics. I can't take out everything and show because there are stacks and stacks of them, and some of them which are so old. Wait, I will show some of them actually. कुछ Batman वगैरह का दिखाता हूँ। These are the old detective comics.
Single issues.
Single issues.
और यहाँ ढेर सारा पेपरबैक्स है क्या ये सारे?
ये सब पेपरबैक्स हैं, पेपरबैक्स हैं। Single issues. मतलब जितना हो सकता था मैंने बहुत कलेक्ट किया वो टाइम पे।
लेकिन कलेक्शन गजब का है, मानना पड़ेगा। इतना छोटा सा स्पेस में ना बाहर से लग नहीं रहा था कि
हाँ, लेकिन बहुत है, बहुत। पर ये एक्चुअली ये कुछ भी नहीं है। ये कलेक्शन बेसिकली मैं एक टाइम के बाद कलेक्शन करना बंद कर दिया। मतलब I started collecting comic books when I was like 17, 18, when I had some pocket money and whatever, and then I started doing a job. I had some extra money, so I bought some comics and everything. तो फिलहाल इतना ही है मेरे पास। बट अगर असली कलेक्शन देखना है तो we have to go somewhere।
कहाँ पर?
है एक जगह।
अरे बताओ तो सही कहाँ पर?
वो सस्पेंस है। जब हम लोग पहुंचेंगे वहाँ पे, you will see for yourself।
चलो, मतलब इससे भी ज्यादा है कॉमिक्स वहाँ पे।
ये उसका एक फ्रैक्शन भी नहीं है।
Yeah.
ये जो देख रहे हो ना इतने सारे ये उसका एक फ्रैक्शन भी नहीं है जहाँ पे मैं लेके जाता हूँ।
That piques my interest। तो चलिए दोस्तों, देखते हैं शमिक मुझे कहाँ लेके जाता है जी, इससे भी भयंकर कॉमिक कलेक्शन दिखाने के लिए। Let's go guys।
This is basically अभी जहाँ पे लेके जा रहा हूँ, I think that is the biggest comics collection in Calcutta।
That's a huge state।
हाँ, मैं नेशनल की बात नहीं कर सकता, बट कैलकाटा में तो आई थिंक ही हैज गॉट द बिगेस्ट कलेक्शन टिल डेट व्हाट आई हैव सीन।
चलिए देखते हैं कितना बड़ा है इनका कलेक्शन।
ये है मेरी नानी।
नमस्कार।
88 years old, almost reaching 90.
Sorry to disturb you, खावर
No,
शमिक।
no, no, no.
No, she's fine. Almost reaching 90, the oldest person here.
I see। अच्छा, बूढ़ो आवर इसे कैसे?
Buddha is everywhere. Just keep-
ঠিক আছে আসছি
আরে খাওয়া দাওয়া করবে কি?
আরে পরে দেখা যাবে
খাওয়া দাওয়ায় আগে ওই টিকুর বাড়ি যাই তারপর ওখানে ফিরবো।
तो गाइस हम दोनों निकल पड़े हैं, पता नहीं मुझे कहाँ लेके जा रहे हैं शमीक दा। सो अगर अगले 2-4 दिन में कोई नया वीडियो ना आए, समझ लीजिए कि मुझे किडनैप कर लिया गया है एंड दिस गाय इज टू ब्लेम। What's up? Hi,
Hey man,
Dr. Manish.
Shubhradeep.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you man.
He is known as Piku Man.
Okay. तो पीकू दा कह के पुकारूंगा तो चलेगा ना?
Piku da ठीक है, Piku da ठीक है।
ও হচ্ছে মনীষ।
মনীষ হচ্ছে ইউটিউবার, প্রফেশনাল ডাক্তার, পেশায় ডাক্তার, নেশায় ইউটিউব আর কমিক্স। নেশা সব বলি।
আইয়ে।
এরা বড় লাইট দেবে। This is the whole collection.
So this is fine. You'll also get books here. So I have single issues here. Entire runs of entire stories.
Which one is your favorite character? कौन सा ऐसा किरदार है जिनका सिंगल इशू सबसे ज्यादा है आपके पास?
Single issues Batman का ही सबसे ज़्यादा है. I also have entire runs. Starting from if you see this one is the first issue of Batman Adventures. This is a holy grail, man. You won't get this books anywhere, and they are extremely costly now.
So it's all bagged and boarded.
Back then model. Most of them are. I have Spawn 1 to near about 70. So here it's this is Flashpoint. This is LOTDK, Legends of the Dark Knight. These are Rebirth and after Doomsday Clock.
বার করে আমরা দেখা
Sure. You have Junji Ito here.
Uh-huh.
So
Where is Uzumaki?
Uzumaki and Gyo. Both of them are with my brother. I have lent it to my brother for reading. Yeah, let me show you the run. This entire Armageddon 2001 run. So this is
This was published back in 90s, I guess?
yeah 90s 91.
crossover event.
One of the biggest crossover events, the ending of which was changed. This is another Elseworlds crossover event that I am collecting. I have not completed it yet.
So how many are left to be collected?
I think there are 11 more issues left to be collected. 13 I have. There are 24. Some Stephen King books. Rakshak. Entire Rakshak.
Who is the writer of Rakshak?
The person who is standing behind me,
Huh?
Shamik Das Gupta. I'm telling you, one of the best books I've ever read.
I know, right?
And here comes a few. These are some random issues, random books. But they are, they're very good, so I have got them. Oh, I don't know if you have seen this or not. This is a very rare book. This is Metaphysique by Norm Breyfogle.
Okay. Malibu Comics.
Malibu Comics, drawn and written by Norm Breyfogle himself.
I see. No, I haven't heard about this.
Yeah, I had also not heard about it, but once I got it, I got it online, so I read about it and then I bought it. Oh, these are the two special issues of Heroes Against Hunger. Okay,
Alright.
so came out in 85 and late 85, 86, and the earnings from both of these books were given to Africa.
UNESCO, না?
Most probably UNESCO.
It's written here, I guess.
It's written here. And you'll get one more thing here. I mean, both of these books are written and drawn by an array of writer and artists. See,
So many of them.
yeah. like page 1, 48, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay.
So it's same here also. And Heroes for Hope also.
all right.
It was a part of a movement, I mean, a welfare movement. I mean, they have collaborated multiple times over since, like since Wizard of Oz, right? The first collaboration was Wizard of Oz. So here comes entire Nightfall. So in my Nightfall collection, you will get more comic books than the omnibus itself. I mean,
And also,
the
like
three sets of
some were
omnibus.
excluded.
Yeah. In the omnibus, the issues were
Sword of
excluded.
Azrael.
Yeah. So this is Sword of Azrael.
Which one was excluded? Show those ones.
Those are the tie-ins.
Vengeance of
Mainly,
Pain was
no, Vengeance of Pain was also there. Mainly the tie-ins of Nightquest the Crusade. I'll show you. Many comic books were excluded there. So Vengeance of Pain. Here comes the prelude to Nightfall. Okay, the entire prelude till the jailbreak. 491.
I have some of them,
Yeah. So
but
after,
not in this condition.
yeah.
He has bagged and boarded also. ये सब एकदम tip top condition में ही रहेगा.
Tip top condition में ही रहेगा, and I have bought it, like I have like completed this collection over 14 years.
So have you like CGC graded any of this?
No.
That's a like.
In order to CGC grade, I think you have to send your comic books somewhere, right?
Yeah.
And I don't want to part with my books and so on. So here you have entire Nightfall. So this is a special edition of Batman 500.
With
A
foil.
die cut edition of Batman 500.
Okay.
So I also got a poster free with this, but I don't know where I kept it. Maybe I kept it with my poster free. And after Nightfall starts Nightquest the Crusade and Nightquest the Search. So Nightquest the Crusade and Search is completed here. Entire.
These were actually the longest run.
Longest runs.
Impressive.
After Nightquest the Crusade and Search, there came Night's End.
Nice. Yes.
Okay, this Night's End, and after Night's End there came Prodigal and Troika. So Prodigal and Troika is completed here.
So this is the entirety of Nightfall.
Entirety of Nightfall.
कलेक्टिंग ना एक दो सिंगल इशूज इज प्रीटी इजी बट एकदम पूरा सेट कलेक्ट कर पाना बहुत मुश्किल है स्पेशली इंडिया में रहकर.
I mean, 14 years it took me.
And,
my bro got me some. I got some from the Gadiahat old bookstores. There were a few old
Bhalo condition.
No. There were a few old issues which I changed. Wording.in came into India. Like
Right.
you can buy singles from Wording.in. They're very haphazard. You have to search for you have to search for those books and wait. And after that, so these are all my Batman collections. I have the entire LOTDK here. I have till the entire Legends of the Dark Knight collection here and here and here.
Okay.
So I'm missing a few issues in the later runs. So it's near about 250 issues. I have near about 200. Like 50 issues I'm missing. Okay. The entire Flashpoint. This I'd love to show. So this is prelude to the Flashpoint and Flashpoint Wave 1. This is Flashpoint Wave 2 and this is Flashpoint Wave 3. And here I have Kurt Swan Superman. A lot of Kurt Swan Superman issues. Here I have Spawn 1, 2,
Take
67. You want me to?
Spawn needs a little extra attention.
Yeah. Take this back out. It's gonna be a pain when I'm putting all of them in.
Nah, I'll help you out. No worries.
So here comes the Spawn. Oh my God.
How many issues are there?
I have near about 70 issues of Spawn. My target is to complete 1 to 100. Okay.
Alright.
Because after 100 it was not that good.
And
So,
by
yes,
now there have
Spawn
been
1.
about what 300 350 तो निकल ही चुका है.
Spawn 1.
Spawn 1
Yeah.
ये अभी मिलेगा आपको बहुत दाम में eBay में. So if you can put your like here. Even the new compendium, it doesn't contain the covers.
Yeah, for some reason that was pretty weird, creative move.
Angela first appearance.
I have collected the trade paperbacks because those contains the covers. The covers are a different charm altogether.
Oh, lovely dog.
This one is about Ku Klux Klan, I guess, if I'm not wrong.
I've forgotten, man. I just kept collecting.
I have a few of these actually.
Some in which. And I actually have got this one also. One second. I have Spawn and Witchblade also. I don't know where I kept it. It's here somewhere. Spawn and Witchblade. So here is the next set. So I have got this Spawn 100th issue. So this marks the end of my collection. I have to fill up the rest of them.
This looks like it has been made by Alex Ross.
Yeah, Alex Ross. I've got the Alex Ross cover. This Swan 100th issue has many covers.
Beautiful.
And the thing is that here in this issue, I think Swan dies and Angela takes or something like that. Something happens. There are two racks which are which I didn't open. ये पूरा बैटमैन रन है.
Okay.
ये रन क्या है? ओ ये भी पूरा बैटमैन रन है. I have the Dark Knight Returns first print.
First print, that way.
First print. You want to see?
But all 4 books or
All 4 books.
Show them. That's
Let's
that
go.
is also
Let's
great.
go.
So, yeah, those are very good actually. If you, I told you, if you start seeing, you won't be able to stop. Oh, Spider-Man Chapter 1 complete by John Byrne. 1 to 12.
The iconic cover.
Yeah,
The Spawn which
Spawn Witchblade.
It is medieval Spawn.
Detective Comics
Then-
lot. Another Batman lot. Okay, first appearance of Poison Ivy. First print.
Silver Age.
Yeah.
Okay, Batman 180. Entire Nombre Fogel and Alan Grant run. Batman.
And I have a lot of them.
Batman. Okay, entire
Kelly Jones.
Kelly Jones and Doug Moench run.
Oh, these books were beautiful.
Singles. Entire Kelly Jones and Doug Moench run.
Beauty.
These books were beautiful.
And some later issues of Detective Comics.
So that's lot of Batman comics right there, guys.
Yeah. So here also you'll get many Batman issues. I'm trying. I have kept it chronologically. Maybe 1 or 2 issues are left. So Detective Comics another lot. Now comes the specials. First I'll show you the OGs.
Kingdom Come.
Kingdom Come original. The 4 Kingdom Come books in singles. Okay. Where is that book? I have to search for it. Oh, JLA Avengers singles.
I read this in Gotham Comics format.
Gotham Comics, they reprinted it. Batman, Punisher, Batman,
Batman Creator.
Batman versus Predator, original 3 books. This is the first run. I didn't buy the second and third because I have got the trade paperback.
Alright.
These are more specials. I can open up a bookshop. Oh, I've got one. Gotham Comics, you remember this
Yep.
Superman
Yes, yes.
crossover by Jill Kane?
The Gotham Giant Super Special.
But it is by Jill Kane.
Okay.
This book is coming out at an exorbitant price right now. I don't know why. Batman, Spider-Man.
Oh, one of the most popular characters from Brodha franchises, na? वो एक reason हो सकता है.
Uncanny X-Men and Teen Titans. So, you remember this also, right? Superman Odyssey.
Yeah.
Batman has a cameo here. This is from Gotham. Hunter Prey. He's the one who showed me Hunter Prey at first. Okay. This is a sequel to Death of Superman. Death and Return of Superman actually. Where Superman puts.
I have part 2 and 3.
Okay, another Gotham comic special.
Yes, yes.
Superman: The Dark Side.
Dark Side.
I remember the cover, the first one actually.
Yeah. Hunter Day was lovely. Hunter Day was fantastic. Those were the, you know, right? That time was the best thing to happen to comic books, like you have said in your previous podcast.
Yeah.
Okay, here comes. Gotham by Gaslight, Batman Houdini, Reign of Terror, Batman Blue, Grey and the Bat, Scar of the Bat, Complete
Man-Bat.
Man-Bat also, Gudduda gave me his straight paperback read for the first time. Holy Terror, the first book with the Elseworlds logo. By Norm Breyfogle and Alan Bennett. No one has given that. Oh, this is Batman Last Night on Earth. The Black Label.
Relatively new.
Relatively new.
These are
And this is Batman 3 Jokers.
covers by Jason Kerouac. Art also by Jason Kerouac.
Art also by Jason Kerouac. No, it should be here, right? I don't know. Should be here. It is not here, but the returns singles. Then it should be there. I'll show you, man. Once I put this in, I'll show you. So let me show you this. My other books.
These are the omnibus set, no?
Like I buy singles. Let's go here. These are the magazine-sized books from Black Label.
Like when Vertigo turned into DC Black Label.
Vertigo turned into DC Black Label, but DC Black Label is nothing near Vertigo, so they are bringing Vertigo back.
Right.
So these are the SHCs, the soft, the standard hardcovers. These are the deluxe editions. 1 minute, let me open them. One second. Above you get the entire, like all the trade paperbacks that I have. There are near about 70-80 books here.
I see. And a bunch of action figures and toys and stuff as well.
Action figures, he gave me some. I bought some when I was my wife gifted me these two.
Alright.
And here you have the absolutes. Here you have absolutes. The Wednesday comics. You've heard about Wednesday comics,
The
right?
newspaper size.
The newspaper size comic book. So this is the Wednesday comic.
What is that round thing?
The one
Oh,
at
those
the
are posters.
left hand side, the red cover.
The red cover, yes. These are the Lovecraftian books by Barringer. Lovecraftian.
Actually, able to.
Here you go. Then these are the omnibuses. Omnibuy, actually.
Yeah.
So Flash, Batman, Batman Adventures, Zero, DC vs Marvel.
I have the entire Grant Morrison run, but
Here
I should not be comparing my collection with this one right now.
So all the other omnibuses. There are many there are many books that are coming. I've ordered a lot of them. And here you have a hell lot of Raj comics. I've got many Raj comics.
Being an Indian, they have to be somewhere in the collection.
So Raj comics is there.
There's
Some
a little
Bengali books are
Tintin
there.
also I can see.
Yeah, Tintin is also here.
Mhm.
The first reprint of Batman Detective Comics is also here.
Nice.
So yeah, so that encompasses my collection, but you haven't got them out.
Yeah. There is Invincible as well, I can see.
Yeah, Invincible is there.
The entire collection?
Entire collection.
Three compendiums.
Yeah, 3 compendiums. Preacher is there, Green Lantern entire is there, Elseworlds entire is there, Dark Horse and DC entire is there. Batman, No Man's Land, Road to No Man's Land, Cataclysm, Aftershock, everything is there. Everything is
Yeah, I see. Yeah, I got the Preacher Omnibus recently, both of them, so I'll read it someday soon.
This omnibus, they don't have good shelf life.
Yeah, and the readability is also a big of an
readability is
issue.
not good. For me, the best readable thing is this one, SHCs, best. And deluxe editions. If you are into a bigger size, then go for deluxe editions and SHCs. They give you a very good readability
And shelf life as well.
and shelf life. it will stay. See, this is the entire Batman New 52 run.
Mm-hmm.
Batman and Robin New 52 run.
Mm-hmm.
So it is staying there for such a long time. Nothing has happened to it.
I have the trade paperbacks. These are the hardcovers.
Hardcovers.
So
This entire Justice League New 52 run.
Mm-hmm.
And I have Dark Knights of
Deceased.
Steel, then Deceased.
This
then
is just getting an omnibus soon.
This is getting an omnibus, but I have all the 5 volumes. So
And this one is, I think, little embossed with a glossy effect.
the glossy spines and even the front cover is embossed a little bit.
सो अभी ये सब वापस रखने का वक्त आ गया है दोस्तों. सो गाइज ये था कलेक्शन. हियर इज पीकू दा, शमीक दा उधर कुछ देख रहे हैं कॉमिक्स. देयर यू गो.
कॉमिक्स नहीं देख रहा हूँ, मैं ये एल्बम देख रहा हूँ.
सो मेरा भी कलेक्शन है कॉमिक्स का, बट दिस श्योर हम्बल्ड मी अ लॉट एंड yeah, it was great seeing so many amazing comics and how well you have preserved and collected them. तो आपका पैशन भी बहुत ज़्यादा झलकता है इसमें. And how much do you invest? Like, is there any monthly scale और जहाँ पर जैसा offer
monthly
मिला?
scale नहीं है. I actually hold myself back a lot.
That will have to, otherwise घर वाले निकाल देंगे.
नहीं, घर वालों को अभी पता है कि मेरे एक सिंगल इशूज का दाम सिर्फ 150 रुपये का. और झूठ तो बोलना ही
जरूरी है, बोलना पड़ेगा.
But when the lots come out, like I order at different places. For this omnibus, I got it Kapil Agarwal.
Yeah.
I buy it from him. Yeah.
Like it's affordable, like more reasonable than Amazon. Amazon also gives discounts, but उससे भी कुछ ज़्यादा मिल जाता है.
Singles I get it from eBay and India में Purple Comics आ गया है, Epic King आ गया है, तो उन लोगों से भी खरीदते हैं.
अभी ऑप्शंस बहुत है. पहले इंडिया में
मैं क्या करता हूँ, मैं एक महीना चुपचाप बैठता हूँ, 1 या 1.5 महीने, और उसके बाद मतलब हार के खरीदता हूँ. उसके बाद फिर 1-1.5 महीना चुपचाप बैठता हूँ, फिर हार के खरीदता हूँ.
Like you need to get your finances in order, otherwise हम लोग जैसे
I am a dad with 2 kids. I'm single and I'm 6-member family man.
So yeah, बहुत ही उम्दा कलेक्शन है, बहुत सारे कॉमिक्स, ये सब अभी आपको
But
मिलना.
I'll show you those 4 first prints of like once I get all this in.
Yeah.
I'll show you those 4 first prints.
वो वहाँ पर है ना?
हाँ, वहाँ पर उस लॉट में.
चलो निकालते हैं. पहले इनको दोस्तों सजावट करके वापस डालने का वक्त आ गया.
घर में सोने का वक्त आ गया. घर में घुसा देते हैं, सो जाए. So yes,
The
the first prints of The Dark Knight Returns.
This was the like Frank Miller at its peak.
Yeah.
After that, something or the other happened, and his art style kept on deteriorating. His storytelling kept on deteriorating.
He's not an artist, he's simply a writer.
But he did a great
Batman's the new
artwork in the
Batman's
returns.
on Jim Lee cover. Detective Comics 1027.
This was a little oversized. It seems there are pages ज़्यादा है.
Yeah, pages ज़्यादा है. Detective Comics 1000. Action Comics 1000. Killing Joke. And Batman 3 Jokers, the villains edition, the Jason Fabak का 3 Jokers Joker edition. Cover B's.
कलेक्टर ही नहीं, आप कंप्लीटिस्ट भी हो जैसा लग रहा है.
हाँ, मैं ये पूरा डूम्सडे क्लॉक है. एंटायर डूम्सडे क्लॉक.
Alright.
और यहाँ पे पूरा डूम्सडे क्लॉक का रोड टू डूम्सडे क्लॉक है. सब कुछ
मतलब वो प्रील्यूड टाइप
हाँ,
का जो
प्रील्यूड. डीसी रिवर्ट का पांचों का 5 कवर है मेरे पास.
अरे वाह.
तो हाँ, अच्छा ये दिखाना भूल गया था. डेथ मेटल और मेटल पूरा
इंटेरिटी.
एंटायरिटी.
वो पावर मैक्स
सुप्रीम पावर.
मार्वल का था ना.
हाँ, मार्वल का R-rated अवेंजर्स और जस्टिस लीग. R-rated जस्टिस लीग. लवली सीरीज. आई गॉट इट इन सिंगल्स. मुझको पहले शमीक दा ने दिखाया था ये वाला चीज. सो वही उनका खाट पूरा भर्ती हो चुका है.
और ये भी
ड्रैकुला बाय रॉय थॉमस एंड माइक विग्नोला with the trading cards. Even I kept those trading cards there. These are the colored issues. Right now they have got out a trade paperback. I think it's not colored, it's in black and white, but you get the colored issues here.
Kelly Jones said there is one Dracula.
I have that.
That's quite It's not the same story.
It is a different take on Dracula.
I love this guy's style.
Francisco Dracula tradition. I'm a sucker for this
Classic
Dracula
horror
character. Yeah. Spanish artist Francisco. You've seen his art? Beautiful.
So well detailed and the colors are so amazing in this one.
Nice hand, but like painted by him.
These are like those Hammer horror movies.
Such beautiful illustrations. तो दोस्तों वीडियो में अगर आपको मज़ा आ रहा है ऐसा कलेक्शंस देखकर, ऐसे दुर्लभ नगीने देखकर, तो ज़रूर इसको लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड यू नो ऑल योर कॉमिक लविंग बडीज। ये तो वो लवक्राफ्ट वाला बुक था ना?
Look at this book, man. This is so beautiful.
Epic proportion. Look at the dimension of the book, the way it has been printed and produced.
You have opened the Thulu one? Have you seen the design of Thulu?
Yes, I'm sure.
Yes.
Whoa.
No, show when he comes out of the water for the
this
first
looks
time.
like post
Yeah. This one.
The scale at which they have drawn
ये
it.
देखो ना स्केल निकाल।
Cinematic है पूरा.
पर ये एंड में क्या हुआ यार, इतना बड़ा थुल्लू निकल गया है, एक छोटा सा जहाज जाके उसको मार दिया इसको।
किसके एंड में?
स्टोरी के एंड में
हाँ, स्टोरी के एंड में तो जैसा लवक्राफ्ट लिखा है, लवक्राफ्ट का ओरिजिनल टेक्स्ट डाला है इसमें।
थुल्लू का पावर इतना बड़ा साला वहां से गॉडजिला से बड़ा है वो छोटा सा जहाज जाके।
This one is my favorite. Like इतना सारा pages देखा. ये I think after rising from the waters.
And look at the difference. This is like a Matchbox for him.
Yeah, and the cinematic angle कि यहाँ पर वो boat है and यहाँ से दिख रहा है
The
पूरा.
waves and all this.
Yeah.
I am a sucker for Lovecraft.
And reasonably so.
Yeah. I've seen it a lot of times in my works. ऐसा आर्टिस्ट हमको भी मिल जाएगा
कभी तो. ऐसे आर्टिस्ट बनते ही कितने हैं.
भाई निकालिए दिमाग।
So guys, हो रहा है रैप अप कलेक्शन का. शमिक दा इज ऑल्सो डन, सो एम आई. एंड यहाँ पर ये क्या है, वो एब्सोल्यूट बैटमैन दिख रहा है.
यहाँ पे एब्सोल्यूट बैटमैन का 4 इश्यूज है और ऑल इन
These are the latest ones, right?
the latest ones. This is a DC all in special. This is a flip book.
Okay.
तो इधर से आप पढ़ सकते हैं हाफ तक और इधर उलट दो तो इधर से आप पढ़ सकते हैं.
Interesting.
So it shows what happens after absolute power, how the absolute universe is created.
And it connects the dots, right?
It connects the dots. Then starts absolute Batman 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the facsimile edition of
Jim Lee's.
Batman Hush #1.
ये इसमें क्या है?
इसमें है
Wonder Woman.
Absolute Wonder Woman 1, 2, 3, Absolute Superman 1, 2, 3, Absolute Superman 1, 2, 3.
Have you read this yet?
Yes, I have read this. I took these out, Absolute Wonder Woman and Absolute Superman, to read. but I couldn't complete it.
And what's your review like, if you want to give one?
Absolute Batman is fantastic. I haven't read Absolute Superman and Absolute Wonder Woman yet, but Absolute Batman is fantastic. I loved it.
As a first look, he's jacked as like shit.
First thing is Absolute Batman is not gimmicky. Okay. First, like Scott Snyder is writing it, and he writes good stories.
Yeah.
He doesn't write gimmicky stories. This is Batman Full Moon. The entire thing is gimmicky a little bit because it has got glow in the dark cover or something.
Oh, I see. That's what I was wondering. Why is such a white cover is there on top of the book?
But
So-
it's from Black Label.
ये जो white है ये सारे glow करता है या फिर cover?
नहीं white. ये वाला. This is to protect this. यहाँ पे एक्सपेरिमेंट से वेयरवुल्फ बन रहा है और बैटमैन ही इंटरवीन्स एंड समहाउ ही इज इन्फेक्टेड आल्सो. दो ही इश्यूज आए हैं.
बैटमैन एक बार वैम्पायर बना, एक बार वेयरवुल्फ.
सब बनेगा.
सब बना है.
सब बन चुके हैं.
वो जॉनी सिंस है सुपर हीरोज का.
बैटमैन तो ज़ॉम्बी भी बना है ना अपना. डिसीज में तो ज़ॉम्बी भी बन गए और वो भी इन्फेक्शन को
गॉड भी बन गया.
गॉड भी बना. इन्फेक्शन को मतलब ही वाज इन्फेक्टेड बट नो लाइक ही हेल्ड द इन्फेक्शन एट बे. With the Mr. Freeze suit that he wore. तो भाई आपके लिए रैप डिटेल में जानना है तो डिटेल में देखना है मेरा कलेक्शन.
नहीं, what we will do after this is we will have a little chit chat because we have a long history, so we will talk about that.
और मुझे भी काफ़ी ज्ञान लेना है. लाइक माई नॉलेज इज़ वेरी लिमिटेड एज ऑफ नाउ, बट आज के बाद काफ़ी एनहेंस होने वाला है.
क्योंकि मैं एक्चुअली मेरे बाकी सारे पुराने पॉडकास्ट और ये सब में भी इंटरव्यूज में मैं इसके बारे में, ये पिक के बारे में बहुत बात किया मैंने. आज लाइक आई हैव गॉट हिम इन द फ्लेश एंड विद हिज पेपर्स.
काफ़ी इम्प्रेसिव कलेक्शन लगा मुझे दोस्तों. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज कि ही हैज़ कवर्ड ऑल. लाइक डीसी है, मार्वल है, इमेज कॉमिक्स है, देयर इज राज कॉमिक्स भी है, इधर कुछ बंगाली कॉमिक्स मुझे दिख रहा है. तो सबको जगह मिला है इनके कलेक्शन में. ही इज़ नॉट बायस्ड, इज देयर टू ट्राई एवरीथिंग. And thus, opinions of these kind of people, this kind of passionate people is actually educated opinions and you should consider this. तो yeah, that's it guys. यहीं पर करेंगे हम आज का वीडियो को समाप्त. So I'll be seeing you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.